So let's start off with the good news. From my point of view, the good news is that when I asked the students what they were interested in, the feedback that I got was that they very much look forward to researching media from an academic point of view. If we look at the charts that we have in front of us right now, that should be around here in your slides, what you'll see is that I asked them if, while they were studying media research in a very broad sense, and broadly, was it because they were interested in understanding how media affects society in a kind of humanities way, or was it because they wanted to hone professional skills? And one of the things that we see from the slides here, from the graphs that I've inserted, is that students were overwhelmingly in class for one of two reasons. Firstly, they were interested in learning more about how media affects society, but secondly, they were fulfilling a degree requirement. Now, this introduces us to one of the first problems that I have in this particular unit, which is that although it's designed as a capstone unit for people who are really enthusiastic about doing media research and want to develop their skills to the honours level, what we see is that, practically speaking, that's not the majority of the people we serve. I should indicate that the class is of about 180 students. But nevertheless, one of the things that I found really interesting about this was the fact that most of our students who spoke to me wanted to really research media from a scholarly point of view, and they wanted to draw on fields like history and sociology and semiotics and these sorts of things to understand how media make reality. So that kind of traditional media studies, how do media affect and shape the social imagination, is very much in tune with what our students wanted to know about. So that was one positive.